Alright, hello everyone, this is going to be an unboxing of the new Sonos One Limited edition. I just received this speaker today. I'm very excited for it because ever since I saw this like a couple of months back, I always wanted one of them. I don't know, maybe it's ridiculous, but given that it's just like a Sonos speaker, like a Sonos Play 1 but with different color. Since yellow is my favorite color, I thought just, man, I had to have one. So the minute it came out for sale, I purchased one. And this is what the box looks like. Just like a regular cardboard box with a few custom prints on it. Nothing special. And during the unboxing I found that it doesn't really differ anything from the regular Sonos One speaker. Except for the color, of course. This yellow is a very pale yellow, which I think would blend in. I know some of you might be like, oh, why didn't you buy the red or the green? But I love the yellow. As you can see, it has a custom Hey logo as well. It's a shame though that it's on the back side because you can't really see it. Inside the box there is really nothing else except for the power cord and internet cord, and I think it's a shame that they gave us the yellow cord. I would a white cord with a yellow speaker. I would have loved the yellow cord with it as well. But as you can see, it's also missing the Sonos logo on the front, which is kind of weird, but I don't know why. Maybe it's a design key or something. I personally would have loved the Sonos Hey logo on the front instead of the back. But I don't know, they might have some reason for not putting that. Other than that, they're really similar. On the top, looks exactly the same. And also during the setup, I tried to look for anything special regarding this speaker, but I didn't find anything except for the One limited edition name during setup. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you for watching.